Well, I just got done painting this car. This was a collision job. I had to replace the fender. It had bumper damage and a headlight. I had to blend into the fucking hood. I had to blend into the freaking door. It was a big, giant paint job on a little car. So here I am, buffing it out, minding my own business, trying to make it professional for the customer instead of some Earl Scheib's bullshit job. And we go ahead and look what happens. Burned through the clear and the paint itself right here on this edge. So we have to fix this. We got to fix it up. We got to get it professional so we can give it back to the customer today. And if you look right there, you can see the buffer has red paint on it. That means that it burned through the clear and started eating the paint away. So I went ahead and sanded the whole fender down with 1000 because we're going to have to clear coat the whole fucking fender. And what we're going to do is blend some paint into where it burned off. We're going to blend that in, but we're going to be very, very careful because this was painted yesterday. That means the clear is still fresh. So we have got to put the paint on dry. We got to put the clear on with dry coats and work our way into a wet coat. It's going to take about 3 fucking hours, 4 hours to paint this bullshit fucking fender and make it look right. Let's get over to the paint table. I'm going to show you what we got to do to make it blend. So this is our paint, okay? This is called paint. This is a $135 pint of fucking paint. Do you believe how much they charge for fucking paint? Do you believe that? This is fucking ridiculous, okay? A pint of red paint, $135. That is the most bullshit. I don't even want to go into that, okay? So we got our paint, which I'm getting all over my fucking hands. And what I did is I put some in my touch-up gun. Now, when we put this paint on, we are going to spray it on at 70 PSI, maybe 75. The reason for that is we want this paint to go on dry. If it doesn't go on dry, the reducer in the paint will react with the brand new clear and it will wrinkle up and look like shit. We're not going to put any sealer on it. We only got a spot that fucking big to paint a spot this fucking finished. Did I get that right? I hope so. Okay, so I'm going to try to get the angle here where my finger is. That's where it burned through. That's the spot right there that we have to blend. Remember, this is brand new clear coat. Brand fucking new. All right, I got my regulator set at approximately 75. You can see you can kind of see how dry it's going on. That's what we got to do. What I'm going to do though is I am going to get the little pattern a little tighter, make that pattern a little tighter, and I'm just going to blow it on there on a light coat. Then we're going to dry it. We're going to keep blowing air on it, just like this. We're going to hope that it doesn't blister. Cover that fucking edge. That's all we got to do. Just cover that motherfucker up and hide it. Nice thin coat, that's all we want. It's fading away, it's going away. But we got to be careful. We gotta put dry coats on. Cannot put thick coats. If we put a coat like that on it, we would have an area that would blister up and crinkle. We got to do it like this. Here, look. See how dry that's going on? See that? And I'm holding the air on it so it's drying it as I'm spraying. I want that 75, 80 PSI. I want that pressure to dry the paint as I'm spraying it. I'm gonna end up putting about 20 coats on here, but that's okay. We don't give a fuck. I can see it disappearing as I'm painting it. I gotta keep that air on it though. Very thin, very light thin coat. That's all I want. Look, it's fading away. It's going away. We got to use, look, this is how I'm doing it. That's all I'm doing. See that? That's it. It's almost disappeared and gone. Okay, I think we got it. Now another alternative to doing this is putting a coat of epoxy primer with my touch-up gun on that area and then putting full wet coats of paint like that right there. We're not doing that because we got this area around here, and if that reducer gets thick enough, it will melt the clear. Once again, this is like a job that you just fucking painted yesterday, last night, and it's early morning and your color's saying I'm buffing it, and this happens. But you want to get rid of the fucking car today! Do you like this video? Do you like this? Do you see what's going on? Huh? This is reality, people. This is the fucking real shit. Forget all that fancy crap where everybody's hunky-dory and happy-go-lucky crap. That ain't fucking real. Alright? When shit fucks up, this is how it is. This is what happens. It puts a dent in your fucking bank account because now you've lost profit. Did I tell you $140 fucking dollars? Did I? And then you gotta go through the hassle of cleaning the fucking gun out. Because if you don't clean the gun, guess what? It ain't gonna work for the next job. And fucking red, it's hard to clean out of your gun anyway, as you can see. And then when you're at the paint store, they kind of give you this bullshit line of how, yeah, oh, that's a D price. Oh, that's cheap. Oh, yeah, that's cheap. That's not an A, that's a D. Oh, the red? Oh, yeah, that's an A+. You're going to spend a lot more money on that. Yeah, oh yeah. The pigments, it's all about the pigments. Still red paint in there. Still fucking red paint. All over my fucking hands, all over my fucking gun. You see, that's what a shitty day does to you. If it starts out shitty, it's gonna stay fuck off shitty. There ain't nothing you can do. Red's the worst color to clean out of your fucking spray gun. So the clear choice on this job is going to be our quick dry clear. This is called Super Brilliant Clear Coat that dries in 30 to 40 minutes. But the question is, do we have enough? I don't know. We might have enough for one coat. If we can get one good coat on there, that's all we fucking need. So this is that specialty clear for painting panel paints. And what it is, it's like super fast drying clear. It dries in like 30 minutes. 40 minutes and it's ready to deliver. And that's what we need today. We need the fast shit. But do I have enough? We don't fucking know. And since I just buffed it, we're gonna go ahead and put a little fisheye reducer in there. Because knowing my luck today, I'll get fisheye in it. So we'll go ahead and put a dry coat on first. And then we'll go ahead and spray a full wet coat. And the gun that we're gonna use is our handy dandy Harbor Freight gun right here. That's it, guys. Our $40 fucking Harbor Freight. And hope it fucking goes on good. I just hope we have enough to put a coat on it. At least one. Roll my sleeve up for that fucking job. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a dry coat on it. And then we're gonna put a full wet coat on it. And I think that'll fix our problem. We shouldn't have to buff. We shouldn't have to do nothing. Just clear coat it, get down the road, and get the fuck out. Go home. And this, my friend, is the life of a self-employed in 2026. This is the shit that you go through. I don't give a fuck what kind of business you got. You can be hammering nails, putting down countertops, shoveling shit, for all I give a fuck about. But this is the crap that you go through when dealing with self-employment type crap as this, when you're trying to make a little bit of a $1 buck profit and it ends up to be losing hundreds. Alright, we finally got the little bastard done, and I gotta say it came out really good, but we saved our ass by using the quick clear. So it's about 3 hours later. It looks great. I'm not gonna buff that. It's not getting buffed. We blended into the door, we blended into the fender, we blended into the hood. What else can you ask for, guys? Okay? But the problem that we have here, the situation that's solved, is we went ahead and fixed that, and we did it very quickly and very easily using the quick clear system. Now, let me go ahead and tell you this. The lady that owns this car is disabled, and she's 79 years old. I really don't think she would have even noticed that mistake, but the problem that we have is I like to make sure my work's done perfect before I even give it to the customer. I don't care how old they are or how blind they are, it's going to be done the right way. So hopefully she'll appreciate it. And we can go down the road being happy now instead of hollering, screaming, and cussing, and get her done right. This is Pete, my friend Pete, your friend Pete, showing you that the real true life of owning a small business is not peaches and cream. It's a pain in the motherfucking ass, bitch. A pain in the ass. Right there.